Ang tanong lang niya dun, Dok, okay lang ba daw kumakain siya ng pork meat na kahit 140 over 100?
Yes.
So again, the short and simple answer, yes.
Ang ano dyan is, why is your BP elevated still? So, there are many factors that produce yung high blood pressure. Yes, narinig ko na dyan. Stress, dehydration, sleep. Yan, alam niyo. Alam niyo pala eh. Right? So, there are many factors that can contribute to high blood pressure. And ang mahalaga dyan, eat real foods, sleep early, no stress, evade stress, pero, and yes, be patient.
Trust the process.
27 days. Parang gusto niyo na agad, ano no? 90 over 60. There is, I have patient 1 month out of medication na siya sa ano. Kasi nagna 90 over 60, 85 over, I have to remove the medication. In 1 month lang yun. So, different body, different outcome.